Welcome. 3 minutes on cell phone photography. Yes, just a few years ago, really, the idea of cell phone images in yearbook, no, not good. Resolution not good enough, quality not good enough. That's not the case anymore, is it? No, smartphones these days are really, really good. The cameras on them are outstanding, and all of a sudden, it's become our go-to camera. Now, first off, hopefully you took the time to watch the Jostens J-class, Yearbook Avenue digital classroom called Cell Phone Photography. This one done by Jess Hunziker, who's a fantastic yearbook advisor from Colorado. She maps it all out, settings and everything. Doesn't matter if you're iPhone or Android or whatever, on what to do with your cell phone and yearbook. And early on in her video, she kind of poses the question, okay, what's the best camera you've got? And she very simply says, the best camera you've got is the one you have with you. You don't have time to go running to the yearbook room for the yearbook camera for something that's going on, and by the time you get back, long done. But if you can pull your phone out of your pocket, or maybe an iPad or a mobile device, and whip it up real quick, bam, you get those pictures right away when they need to be gotten, all right? Not wait till later. Now, for some things, again, think sports action where things are going really fast, basketball, football, and so on. Yeah, probably a standard SLR camera is still absolutely your best bet, especially if you want to freeze the action. Phones have gotten really good. They're still not quite good enough yet. But for everything else, if you can use your smartphone, that's the way to go. Now, probably you can't at your school whip out your phone and just start taking pictures. Teacher's going to look at you kind of funny. You need to have some kind of a press pass. Official permission from school saying, I'm on yearbook staff, I'm taking pictures for yearbook, here's my pass. Okay, go ahead, click, 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 and get all that really good action. Jess mentions, make sure your smartphone or mobile device is on the highest resolution setting, way up, not halfway down, way up, because halfway down oftentimes might lead to smaller, more blurry images for print on pages. High resolution, really, really important to have. She talks about if you have an iPhone, turn off the HDR mode, turn it off. Go with the sort of regular standard mode, which will then give you JPEG images. That's much better than anything that's HDR. And again, just shows you a bunch of things about, maybe turning on various settings on your phone that might be helpful, how to change the exposure, which a lot of folks I don't think know how to do, how to fix the focus. A lot of folks know that one, touch the screen and so on. All the details and particulars about how to maximize the usage of your smartphone for great yearbook action. Now, let's do a quick student activity. Now, maybe not you. Think about it. All those students out there in your building, they all have phones, don't they? Virtually all of them. How do we get images from their phones to you and maybe help kind of instruct them on taking great photos on their own that they can then provide to you for your book? Let's do a little brainstorming on how we can get that army of photographers out there helping you all school year long. Let's see what you can come up with. And thanks for watching.